Hey guys, this is Manny Chopra in Barcelona at the W Hotel. And maybe a few years ago, I probably wouldn't have imagined this, but going back again, reflecting on my property journey in 13 years ago, my first target was actually getting myself out of my job because I wanted to spend some good quality time with my kids who were very young back then. And I think the key and the moral of the story is, guys, that whatever your first goal is, you need to be very clear, very concise, and you need to do affirmation on it. So, for example, for me, it was that I am earning £3,000 net income every month after paying all my property bills and expenses. And you have to be very specific with the date that you want to achieve that goal with. So, guys, firstly, have your exact goal that you want to achieve that's going to get you either out of your job or out of the situation that you're in, or maybe enhancing your life in a certain way. Like you may want a secondary income to top up your lifestyle. You might want to give some more money to your children, or you might want more holidays. Whatever that goal is, you need to write it down, clear, concise, and keep affirming it for 5 minutes every single day. And while you affirm it and write it down as though it's already happened, you need to visualize it at the same time. This is exactly the starting of my journey, which then obviously catapulted me to bigger and better things. But obviously, it's still a challenge. Everything is a challenge. Businesses have ups and downs. So it's never a rosy picture. It always comes with the good and the bad. But this is where you need to have your starting point. And once you've achieved that, then there's no looking back. So guys, hope I've inspired you with a very quick update on my reflection on my property journey and where I started. If you want to meet other property developers like me and myself at the next and the last property event for 2023 at Titans, check out our website. We've got 3 incredible speakers who are going to be able to help you get much further in your property journey by standing out in the crowd. Book your tickets now for last few spaces, teamtitans.co.uk. Thank you.